Hi, my name is Chris Coker, and I'm the owner over at Dent Dawg Paintless Dent Repair, as well as our sister company, Glass Dawg. For many years now, I've been in business, and we've always had a logistical issue when it comes to our phone lines, our technology, whether it be one day our phones are down or another day our internet is not working. We had no support. We had nobody to call. In the time that we've been with SD Tech, I have had zero worries about operations, zero worries about how the technology is working. If it does fail, I can just call somebody up real quick and have them take care of the problem. We had them install the wireless phones. We have a text line installed, which Wes was instrumental in helping us find. They came in, they took all the old stuff out, put all the new stuff in, and it was seamless. Our systems were fully operational. My people in the office had no clue that it was even done. I walked in, looked at the rack, and I said, oh my goodness, this is just amazing. I'm not a tech guy, but I thought it was extremely cool. This is a company that really cares about what they're doing. Overall, with SD Tech, I'm super happy with the product and the service they put out. I wouldn't go to anybody else, and I will be using them for all of our businesses in the future.